Welcome Filipino food lovers! Into this video, you will make a salted egg salad known as classic ensalada. This recipe takes 15 minutes of total preparation time. For this recipe, you will need 1 red onion, quartered and thinly sliced. 4 salted eggs, quartered. Salted eggs or itlog na maalat refers to whole shell on duck eggs. You can usually find them in the egg section of Asian supermarket. If you can find salted eggs, substitute hard-boiled duck or chicken eggs. 1 container of cherry tomato, 1/4 cup of finely sliced cilantro leaves, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 to 2 lemons quartered. In a bowl, combine the sliced onion, eggs, and tomatoes. Sprinkle the cilantro and the fish sauce over the top and squeeze over the juice of the lemon. Serve right away with your favorite dish. You can eat this simple salad at breakfast, lunch, and dinner alongside grilled chicken, adobo, or fried egg and rice. This salad is used more like condiment, adding texture and seasoning to the main meal. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you and enjoy your meal.